Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad exponential equation problem. And here we have 3 to the power of n plus 3 to the power of n equals to 60, and we solve this problem for the values of n. So here you first focus on the left hand side, and you see here we have two same terms are present here, and now we will just take common 3 to the power of n and its remaining terms are. So when we take common 3 to the power of n, so you get here 1 plus here you take common 3 to the power of n and you get 1 equals to 60. And now in the next step, we see here you have 3 to the power of n into 2 equals to 60. So here we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So we just write divide by 2 on both of the sides, so that when we divide both sides by 2, it will be written as 3 to the power of n into 2 divided by 2 equals to 60 divided by 2. And here we need little bit simplification, and we know that this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and in the left hand side we get 3 to the power of n. So this 2 is cancelled out by the 60 by 30, and here you get only 30. And now in the next step, here we need to find the value of n, so that we just take log on both of the sides. So that we take log on both of the sides, and it will be written as log of 3 to the power of n equals to log of 30. And here we need to use the properties of log. So here we need two properties of log, which we can just write both of these property here. For in the first property, we know that if we have log of a to the power of m, so this property just tells us that this exponent m is become front of this log, and it will be written as m times of log a. And the other logarithmic property is that if you have the product of two numbers inside the log, so it will be written as log of a plus log of b. So here we use these two properties of log, so that now first we use this property in the left hand side, so that we move this exponent n to the front of this log, and it will be written as n times of log 3 equals to, here first we write this 30 as log of 3 times of 10. We know that 3 times of 10 becomes 30, so we write this log 30 in this form. And after that we use here this nice property of log, and its right hand side is written as log of 3 plus log of 10. But in the left hand side we have n times of log 3. So in order to find the value of n, here we need to divide both of the sides by log 3, and it will be written as n log 3 over log 3 equals to, here we divide this log 3 by log 3, and this term is also divided by log 3. And now here you see that this log 3 is cancelled out by this log 3, and in the left hand side we have n is equals to, this log 3 is cancelled out by this log 3, and we have this 1 plus here we know that the value of log 10 is equals to 1, and it is divided by log 3. So this is the final value of n in this question. And now we check this value, is this value of n satisfied our given question statement or not. So in order to check this, here first we just copy down the given question statement. So our question statement is 3 to the power of n plus 3 to the power of n equals to 60. And now we substitute the value of n in the left hand side, and we check that is we get the right side is 60 or not. So here you see that we have the value of n is 1 plus 1 over log 3. So we put this value in the left hand side, and it will be written as 3 to the power of n. So n is equals to 1 plus 1 over log 3, and this is equals to 1 plus 1 sorry, this is our plus 3 to the power of n, and here we again put this is our plus sign, so 3 to the power of n, and over n is equals to 1 plus 1 over log 3, and this whole is this equals to 60 or not. So now here we just break its exponent, both of these terms, and we write this term as 3 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 1 over log 3, plus similarly we break this exponent and we write it as 3 to the power of n into 3 to the power of 1 over log 3, and this is equals to 60 or not. So now here we say we rewrite these terms as 3 times of 3 to the power of 1, and here we know that 1 is equals to log 10. Okay, log 10 is equals to 1, so we replace this 1 is equals to log 10, and it is divided by this log 3, and similarly in this case we again replace this 1 is equals to 10, and it will be written as 3 to the power of log 10 divided by log 3, and we check is this equals to 60 or not. So that in the next step we use another nice fact. According to this fact, we first state this fact here. We know that if we have a to the power of log of base a and its exponent b, so the output of this exponential function is equals to b. So we use here this nice fact. So according to this fact, we write our above terms as in this form. So we have 3 times, so first we write its exponent as 3 to the power of log its base 3 and exponent 10, and plus 3 to the power of 1, and again we write this term as 3 to the power of base is 3 and exponent 10, and we check is this equals to 60. So now here the time to use this nice important fact in the left hand side. So according to this fact, we write this term as 3 times of here the output of this function is equals to 10, and we just obtain here 10, plus similarly in this case we get the output of this term is 10, and is this equals to 60. So that here you know that 3 times of 10 becomes 30, and plus 3 times of 10 becomes 30 equals to 60. So 30 plus 30 is 60 equals to 60. So this shows that the value of n, it is 1 plus log 1 over 3 satisfied our given question statement. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.